Welcome to Rover YouTube channel. So today my Excel lesson is VLOOKUP function. Today I am going to explain you how to use VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. So what do we mean by VLOOKUP? Actually, VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. So in short, we say in short term we all know that vertical lookup has VLOOKUP. Actually, VLOOKUP always search for a specific value in the last most column of a table. Okay, VLOOKUP always search for a specific value in the last most column of a table. So that is how VLOOKUP works. So this VLOOKUP function is very useful for quickly finding and extracting data from a large data set. That is what the importance of VLOOKUP. So the syntax of VLOOKUP function is like this: VLOOKUP within bracket lookup value, comma, table array, comma, whole index num, comma, then finally range lookup. So let's see one by one what are these criteria are. So first one is lookup value. So what do we mean by lookup value? Actually, lookup value is the value you use to search specific value. Here in this example, lookup value is employee ID. So in my example, lookup value is employee ID. So actually, lookup value means what you expect to search using VLOOKUP. So that is what we call lookup value. So in my scenario, it is employee ID. Second one is table array. So table array means table array is the data range of your table. You see in my small table. So what is the table array? You can see or you can identify very easily my table range. The table array is A2 to B22. So that is what my table array. So that is the second criteria of this syntax. Now we know table value and the table array. So we know lookup value and the table array. Now what is call index now? What do we mean by call index now? That's the third criteria of our VLOOKUP syntax. So call index now means parameter specifies which column within the table array contains the desired output value. So by using this or by applying this lookup function, I expect to get the salary for a specific employee by entering this value E1012. This is the employee number, if not the lookup value. By using this value, I expect to search the salary relates to this employee. So the salary or the related field or related column in this table is column 2. So column 1 for employee ID and the column 2 for salary. So now you know what call index num is. Actually, call index num means parameter specifies which column within the table array contains the desired output. So my example, the desired output is employee salary and it is in the column 2 of this table. Therefore, the value you should use is 2. So the final one of this syntax is range lookup. So what is range lookup? Actually, range lookup is optional. Range lookup is optional if you need to exact if you need the exact match, you need to set this parameter to false. So if you expect to get the exact value from by using VLOOKUP value, you have to set the range lookup value as false. So on the other hand, if you expect to get the approximate value, then you have to set the lookup range or the range lookup value as true. So it deals with true or a false value. So if you want to get an exact answer, then you have to use false. If you want to use approximate value, then you have to use true for range lookup. Then let's see how can we use this VLOOKUP function to get specific value. So practically, I am going to input my VLOOKUP function to E3 column. So let's write the function equals VLOOKUP within bracket. Then I expect to get the salary for E1009 employee. Then that is the lookup value. Then I am going to enter the table array. So you know table array is E2 to B22. Then column index is, as you know, column 2. Then I want to get the exact answer, therefore I set range lookup value to false. Then close the bracket. Now enter. You see the corresponding salary for the employee 1009 is 40,000. So if I change my lookup value to now let's see how to use MS Excel lookup function using VBA code. To apply a VBA code, you need to go to Developer tab, then click on the Visual Basic. So this is the function we use to run VLOOKUP function using VBA. So here I have given J4 as the lookup cell. So there you need to enter the lookup value to J4 cell, and this one. From this code, we set the lookup value, and this is the set setting the lookup cell, and here this is the table range. Our table range is A2 to B22. So here you have to give the table array, if not table range, and your result output of your function use or shows under J6 cell. Set output cell equal range. J6 is the cell where you get the answer. Then so this is the code you need to use to run VLOOKUP function using Visual Basic VBA. Then I'll add this code to my blog post relevant to this VLOOKUP lesson. Then you can get the code from my blog site by visiting our blog site. I'll include my blog link under the video description. So let's see what happens. So once you write your code under the workbook window, then save your code Then again go to the Microsoft Excel worksheet. Then here I have to enter employee ID. So I enter E1009 as employee ID. Then I want to get the salary for this employee. So to run the VBA code, you need to click on the macros. Then you have to select the function name. Then press run button. Once you press the run button, you can see the relevant salary for this employee is shown under J4 column. So let's try another employee ID. 1012. Then go to macro and run the code. 15,000 is the relevant salary for this employee. So likewise, you can use VBA code to run VLOOKUP function. You know how to use VLOOKUP function in the workbook. And also you can use VBA function, and also you can use VLOOKUP function under VBA code. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Let's meet it in another video. Thanks for watching.